Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if you fail to open Instagram app on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just try to close your Instagram app and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to check your internet connection, so just open Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, just try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, it means that you have available updates for your Instagram. Just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.